guys, today I will talk about how can you sign out of your account on your Get app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here. You click here on profile down here, just click on it. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you will find here log out here. You just click on it here. So when you just click here on log out, then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your get your GitHub. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.